we'll just have a blown out window in the back. Hello, welcome back to Westward. As you can see, I'm driving westward. And today I woke up from the campground, and that was in a little outside of Memphis, and I had to stop at a Walmart because I forgot about, the sun being out and driving, so I got a little sunburn on my arm. So I went and stopped and got some aloe vera and some few other things. And now, here's to me trying to do all of Arkansas in a day. Luckily, there wasn't really anything. I'm changing the plan a little bit because I was looking at it and, looking at my money and like all of that fun stuff. I'm just going to pass on Texarkana right now because the only reason I was going there was just because of the name. I had done no research on it at all. So we're swerving that plan because I really don't want to drive through Texas. And it would save on gas and time if I just blitz through Arkansas. There's a rest stop that has got some pretty good reviews on Overlander. It's still on I-40, but it's sort of outside Oklahoma City. And so I'm going to get there tonight, which is only like a 5-hour drive. I mean, that's what I've been doing basically all day anyways. So I'm going to do this straight, go there. So basically just blitz through Arkansas, because there's not really much in Arkansas based on my research that I really wanted to see. So I'm just going to take a gander at the views and just drive around. It's going to be a driving episode, I guess. Alright, so we're making good time. Relative. But I'm basically, I'm gonna stop and get some food somewhere. I mean, I don't know where, but I'm gonna stop there. I'm about an hour away from that place, which also means I'm an hour away from the border of Arkansas. So we'll get food and then we'll make it to, it's outside of, it's a rest stop off of I-40, which is about, the place itself, it's about a few hours away from Oklahoma City, downtown Oklahoma City. And so we will park there, chill out there, because I'll get there 5:36ish, 6-ish, there we go. And I know I'm gonna want to just crash probably, but as long as I have a decent connection on my phone, I'm gonna do some research, pull up the laptop, do some editing, do some of that stuff, and just basically chill for the rest of the night, and then plan tomorrow accordingly. So let's get going and see. I gotta run to the back, grab some cash, because I forgot to before I sat back down, so we'll do that real quick, and we will catch you back in a little bit. Bye. Good. Oh goodness. Okay. Let me get past the rocky road. Good morning, Internet. Hello. Welcome back. This is part whatever or day. I think I'm gonna do it by days instead of parts. That way figure it out. Anyways, next day, new morning, I just went and got some gas at a Love's. I found this app that a friend showed me called Upside. There we go, got it. And it's basically like a gas tracking app that'll give you some cash back on certain gas stations. So that's the reason I went to Love's, is because I had a 45 cents per gallon off thing, which was dope. So that's what I've been using a lot to get my gas. Just so, I'll build up some cash back and get some money back from all this gas I'm using. And then I went to try to go find a laundromat, and I wound up, I stopped last night at a rest stop, which it was very quiet. There was just a weird dude this morning who looked like he was following me around. Because I got up, I used the bathroom, and I got back in the van, and every time I'd stop along the rest stop, he would be behind me. But, I don't know. Anyways, it was an alright rest stop. If you're just there for like a night, go for it. But any more than that, it'll probably get a little annoying. It was a no facilities rest stop, so there was a lot of truckers and stuff. I found this like little alcove where it's all gravel, but it was off the main rest stop area that I just parked in there to get out of line of sight, which was pretty neat. And so I did that, and then this morning I was like, you know what, I need to go get some gas. Would be the first thing. So that's check mark number one. And excuse me, I need to do some laundry because I'm out of shorts. I've got a pair of gym shorts that's left, but I can't really walk around in just gym shorts now, can I? So it's a Thursday, and I started journeying on Sunday. So it's about what, 4 or 5 days, I guess. I don't do math. But anyways, I'm gonna go find a laundromat. Like I was saying, I went to Henrietta, Oklahoma. It's a very small town. It reminded me of Williamston a little bit, just because it was basically one giant road that went through the whole thing, and you had stores on either side. And they were a little bit more rundown buildings, just because I imagine it's an older city. And it was pretty neat though. They had a laundromat, but it kind of looked a little sketchy after I do the laundromat. But I might go check out Tulsa. I might park and walk around Tulsa after I get some shorts. Because my ultimate goal is to end up, I found a spot in Colorado Springs that looks like I can be there for multiple days for free, which would be dope. I just got to get there. Excuse me. And so I was on the outside of Oklahoma City today, and from there to Colorado Springs, it's a 10-hour drive, which I don't want to do that at all. So I'm going to take it slower. I found a Walmart that people have had like really good reviews on iOverlander, and it's supposed to be like a really good Walmart. So I might go in there and just peruse around a little bit, but check that out. But since I'm going to a Walmart, I don't have to get there right away. So I'm thinking I can go to the laundromat, pull up my phone, look at Tulsa, see if there's anything in Tulsa that looked pretty neat. See if I can find some pretty cheap parking and then park. And then chill out like I did in Nashville. I know Tulsa is going to be a lot smaller than Nashville, which would be dope. But I might be able to find some cool stuff. Just walking around, taking some more photos. Doing that in Nashville was really fun. I got a little overwhelmed when it came to the photography aspect, just because I cut that corner and there was so much happening. So I was just like, let me reset a little bit. But it was neat. So hopefully this laundromat is pretty neat, pretty dope looking. I'm gonna try to record a little bit. It's just gonna be me, throwing stuff in washers and dryers, but it's all about the stages of progress. So do that.
Maybe not close, but I'm definitely not the farthest. Not hard, but I'ma go the hardest. Yeah. New car, close to the target. We've been in the kitchen, now we're trending on the market. Good start, now let me try to park it. Feel a spark, now I'm burning up the carpet. Like a fart, only gas in my compartment. I'm a star, bright when it's dark. House stays even so the party never ends. I don't care to drive, so I don't buy a Benz. Like I'm on the fever, I'm like Caitlyn with the pen. Heating up from deep, so you know it's going in. See you in the street, I'ma treat you like a friend. I don't want no problem, I'ma solve it in the end. We're on the same team and all I wanna do is win. So I'ma go and win, and hope you're joining in.
Alright, for the hunt for shorts, after I went to the laundromat, make sure, okay, it's not too dark. Anyways, the hunt for shorts has begun. First thrift store I went to had a single pair of men's shorts, and they were size 40. Now, I may be a chunky fellow, but I cannot fit into a size 40. Even with a belt, they'd be falling off. So, I've got another one in store that every review that I've seen about this place that I'm going to says it's probably the best thrift store in the state. So, we'll try this out. Hopefully I can find, I'm looking for maybe at least 1 or 2 pair of decently priced shorts, because I've got 6 right now, and there's 1 pair that are a little tight that I'll wear, that I mainly wear when I go swimming. They're just a little tight. Second pair are dark pants that are gonna attract sun, which is never a good idea in heat. So I'm looking for maybe, those are like just in case if I'm like in a shady spot, I'll put those on, or just chilling, I'll put those on. But other than that, we'll see what happens. I don't know what that is. What in the heck could that be? I have no idea. So whatever this is, whatever that is, I have no idea, so don't worry about it. So, I will catch you guys at the next thrift store. So here's to that. All right, 2 pair of shorts acquired. They had a pair of Wranglers and a pair of Columbians that were $25, which is, I mean, brand new, they'd be closer to like 40, but you know, $50 for 2 pairs of shorts it is what it is. So I paid that, and now I'm gonna go look at the art district of this place. Of downtown Oklahoma. If I can get out of here without people doing some crazy shit. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. Chill out. Maybe walk around and not die of heat stroke. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I found 2 pair, a Wrangler and a pair of Columbian. Where they were alright. And I will admit that place is probably really, I mean, it's got really dope stuff. So I think I can attest to all the reviews that say that it is probably the best thrift store in Oklahoma. It reminds me of some of those places in Asheville, like the near the around the foundation. I can't remember the name of it, but it reminds me of those kind of places. But you know, if that's what you're into, then go for it. But I need my map, so I'll see you guys later.